CAM. Who's CAM? No. What's CAM? Complementary and Alternative Medication. Let's talk about what it is and why it's helpful for kids with autism. Complementary and alternative medicine is oftentimes used for kids that are diagnosed with autism because it's helpful to have something that's used in addition to the strategies that therapists have already provided. Hence, complementary. Not complimentary as in free, complementary as in addition to. Here are some examples. Mindfulness, like meditation routines, yoga, acupuncture, also a specialized diet or arts or music therapy or animal therapy. These are all things you can use in addition to the resources and medicine and strategies that you're already doing with the therapists at your kid's side. Does it work though? Well, it really just depends on your kiddo. You can try pretty much any type of alternative medicine depending on what your child needs in the moment. A lot of families will do specific diets because kids with autism oftentimes have dietary issues or stomach problems, and so these complementary techniques can actually help them. In the end, talk to your pediatrician, ask your doctor if this is something that's good for your kiddo, and don't forget to tell them what you've tried.
Did that help you understand the term? If yes, give us a thumbs up or subscribe below. If it didn't, then leave us a comment and tell us why. What are we missing? We always want to do better. This is a project by Goalie. Check us out at getgoalie.com.